we'll guide you through how to use Claude Agents effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Anthropic website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Claude Agents dashboard. Here, you can see all the agents you've created or have access to. If you want to create a new agent, click on the Create New Agent button. You'll be prompted to enter a name and a short description for your agent. This helps you identify what this agent will be used for later. After naming your agent, you need to set its initial prompt. This is crucial because it determines how the agent behaves. Think of it like the agent's personality or mission statement. Enter a detailed and clear prompt that outlines what you want the agent to do. Next, you can choose whether your agent should have access to external data sources. This is useful if you want the agent to pull in real-time information. Make sure to configure the permissions accordingly. Once everything is set up, click Save to activate your agent. You can then interact with your agent directly from the dashboard. Just type your questions or commands in the chat box, and your agent will respond based on its training and the initial prompt you provided. If you ever need to modify your agent, simply go back to the dashboard, click on the agent's name, and adjust the settings as needed. Don't forget to experiment and fine-tune your agent for optimal performance. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.